Sandwich Factory in Prineville is well loved for a reason.
The feedback from the community and the amount of support that we receive from Prineville, whether it be on social media, Facebook, Google reviews, or in person in the restaurant, it fills my cup every day. You know, it pushes us all forward every day.
Selena Pentrack and her husband Woody Stevens bought the Sandwich Factory in the past decade.
It was a Dairy Queen before it was the Sandwich Factory. The people that we bought it from were the Searcies, and they had owned it, I believe, for 26 years before we bought it in 2015. My husband, Woody Stevens, he's the chef here. We met in the service industry in probably about 2003 in Humboldt County at an Italian restaurant. And I was managing the front. I would spend my evenings after I got off work hanging out with him as he was doing the baking for the restaurant. We're definitely foodies, and we love good, high quality food. Definitely put our own twist on a well-established menu.
And their menu is huge.
That one is the assembly line.
The assembly line, all right. And this one is stacked.
Yes.
Like I was watching,
Yes.
but I was like, and then more meats and more meats. And I think there was 4 different cheeses on this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got, how many? It looks like 4 types of meats.
Yep.
All right,
and
and 4 types of cheese.
cheeses. They grill the meat and the cheese and the bread with the garlic butter and everything.
This is amazing. I mean, all anybody really just wants is a good quality sandwich,
Yes.
right?
We wanted to change a lot of things when we came in, but as far as Prineville goes, there were a lot of things on the menu that we could not remove because
Things had to stay.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so we made some minor adjustments to the menu over the years, but mostly just in the quality of the food and the product. And he makes everything in-house, the dressings, all of the soups. We make our croutons. We make everything that can be made. We make here in the kitchen. That's our unvegetarian, which is one of my favorites. Our vegetarian sandwich comes with the cucumbers and the sprouts and the avocado and cream cheese and mayo and tomatoes. And so it is the vegetarian sandwich, and then we just offer to add a meat on it. So you get that with turkey and bacon. I don't think yours has bacon on it, but turkey and bacon, and oh my gosh, it's amazing.
That's so good. And you're right about the health part of it too. Like, I'm having a sandwich, but it's not like it's a greasy sandwich and I'm feeling icky afterwards. Yeah. I mean, this is something that'll pick you back up to go back to work, back to school, whatever it is.
Right.
You guys have got some sides as well. We've got, what, a back salad on here?
Macaroni salad and potato salad. Those are all made in-house.
I love a mac salad.
The macaroni salad's made with the sweet relish, and the potato salad's made with the dill relish. So the potato salad's my favorite. But
that's good. It is sweet.
You can grab a salad with your sandwich or have one on its own.
Yeah, that's one of our most popular salads. That's a Super Chef salad. And it comes with your choice of 2 meats and 2 cheeses, and then all of our goodies.
Yes.
We make all of our dressings here in-house.
I was just going to ask, this ranch,
So-
homemade ranch. I mean,
I
you
know.
can taste, I was like, I could have buckets of this. You can taste
People
the difference.
come in and buy just the ranch. Yeah.
I'm one of those people,
Yeah.
for sure. It'd be like, just ranch for me.
They credit their success to their staff.
We just had a staff meeting the other day, and the amount of years that we're sitting at the table. We have 13 employees right now, and only 3 of those have worked for us less than a year.
Wow.
And they range anywhere from working here for two years up to 18 years before we bought the place. We start a lot of our staff as their first job.
Yeah.
And so we get to watch them, and lots of them are leaving here now, graduating high school, and they're gonna do amazing things. And by golly, they know how to work, and they know how to maintain a positive attitude and be a part of a team that works together. I mean, it's incredible. It's my favorite part.
You can use them for your next catering event or find their soups, salads, sandwiches, burgers, and much more at the Sandwich Factory in Prineville. For another edition of Taste This, I'm Emily Kirk.